and I am back with yet another video. Today I look a whole lot better. But I really want to come on here and show you guys the progress I've made so far. At first, I was feeling a little bit discouraged and down because it wasn't coming along as fast as I would like it to, and then it didn't look exactly how I wanted it to. But after taking a step back and realizing how far I've come, my perspective has changed, my emotions, my feelings have changed about it, and now I'm pretty excited to show you guys. So let's look at this daycare. It's where my parent board is going. So some things I did not think about is I wanted to put, well, it actually doesn't even matter. I'm gonna put parent board up here and probably different colors and stuff. And I am gonna leave the walls how it is, simply because I don't want too much color, but right now I feel like it's not enough color just yet. So I'm gonna put my clock up here, and I'm gonna go on eBay and try to find a cubby for the kiddos, but I need to measure that first. Yes, so these three came from Target, from the dollar spot, and I'm super grateful because that's exactly what I was looking for. And right here is just a bunch of extra stuff. I did go to Walmart and pick up this. Oops. And it's like a receipt book. It's a receipt book. I did decide that I do need to find somewhere for, not an office down here, but somewhere where I can keep that type of stuff. This is not gonna look like that. I am going to fix this up, put some white border around, put some sea creatures, and do my theme. Yeah. And then this is for right now, this is the circle time area. And I am gonna put like a cabinet or something right here so we can have all of our learning stuff. I have to get this thing out of my head that everything will be perfect and exactly how I have it in my head, in my brain. It won't happen like that. So I am leaving from Louisiana with all of my stuff. I'm in a rush because I'm kind of late for leaving, but let me show you how the car is packed. My mom is amazing.
Make sure no one's over this one.
Okay.
Wow. This up, huh? That's everything.
Oh wait, it's blurry.
Yeah, we do that.
I just made it to San Antonio. I'm about to unpack this and then go turn in this rental car. This should be really fun. I'm pretty excited now that I'm home. I'm off the road. I can't wait until I take this fire nap this afternoon. Oh my God. Anyway, so I'm about to unpack this car. I'm pretty excited for all this stuff, and yeah, we're making some progress with the daycare. We're making some progress with everything. I'm grateful. I'm extremely grateful for the people who donated to me, because that stuff would have cost me a lot of money, and I don't want to spend that much money starting up this business. I'm trying to go the cheapest way possible. I am very grateful for them donating those things. So if you're watching this, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. And good morning, guys. It's me, Amor, here, back with another video. Today is the 4th of August. I was showing you the packed car. So I did unpack the car, and I did put up the other pack and play. I do not know if I'm gonna keep these, but I'm just putting it up just to get an idea. I still need to take the table and put it back there and buy some more chairs. I'm watching Sister Act right now. Don't mind all this. This is just all my little junk from yesterday. All right, so this, let's go up here. This is what my living room is looking like right now. I'm pretty proud of this. Pretty proud of this. I'm back. So I decided that since I need shelves and I can't find the shelves that I'm looking for right now, because I want some specific shelves for the daycare, I do have two shelves that's upstairs in my beauty room. I think I am going to take everything out of there since I don't use it anyway, put them down here to see how they look and go from there. At least I'll have something right now. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So these are my shelves that I have in my beauty room, and you see I got it set up all nice. I actually don't use this at all. Like, I haven't touched this in months, to be honest with you. I put the shelves down here, and I think I like them better laying this way. Now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna do this reading situation, because I want those chairs to go next to this little reading thing. However, I don't really have anywhere to put it unless I put the chairs going this. I don't know. I might have to just get rid of the chairs and find somewhere else for the books to go. And that black crate won't be here. Oh, I gotta find somewhere for this to go too. The black crate won't be here. That's just extra books and stuff. I think I might put, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If y'all have any suggestions when it comes to like the book area, let me know. But I did want to come on here and show you guys what I created for up here. I hope it all fits because I never even tried. But yeah, I created this. So I have the art gallery and I have to read. Hopefully it's not too big. I don't think it is. No, it shouldn't be. So I created this the other day so I didn't have to go into like a store and pay a lot of money for something I could have just did for myself. One thing I'm trying to keep in mind, that everything does not have to be perfect for me to open up. It just needs to not look bad, basically. So I don't have to go and get words that cost me. I'm trying to stick to the low cost. I'm trying to keep in mind kids don't care. Like, as long as it's colorful and pretty, they like it. And then I went ahead and I added my animals to the toys. I just need to find about 3 more, but I think I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, so far I'm loving how these shelves are looking in here. Let me step back so I can let me get them stairs so I can give you guys an overview. So as of right now, this is what the daycare is looking like. I do need to buy some curtains to put up here. I don't know what color I'm gonna go with, so that's what's taking me so long, but I'm gonna just order them today. Whatever's available and the cheapest. So yeah, so far, this is what the daycare is looking like. I'm pretty sure I told you guys before that a TV is gonna be over here. That's why the table is staying over there. I was thinking maybe I should switch the books and put them over here and put the kitchen stuff back over here. But I don't want this area to be too crowded, so that's why I didn't. I don't know, guys. And then cubbies are, I want to put some cubbies right here. That way, whatever the parents need, it will be on top of whatever I have right here. So yeah, that's my struggle for today. Like, I just don't know how to set it up. I need some rugs. I think rugs is what I'm missing. That's why it doesn't look right, because I need my rugs. That's something else I need to purchase. And yeah,